I, Rajkumar Makkad, State Commissioner for the Persons with Disabilities Haryana, feel privileged and honored to having been invited as chief guest in Bridge India's fourth anniversary celebrations for the second online edition of the Kaun Banega Social Sector Champion Quiz 2021. It is applaudable that Bridge India is taking such initiative to bridge the gap between haves and have-nots, utilizing capabilities of the NGOs, corporates, and government to work together in synergy for transforming life and society for a better tomorrow. And apart from that, also conducting such quizzes which not only provide a platform to the participants to showcase their talent but also make everyone aware about sustainable development in an interesting manner. I want to congratulate all the winners who were able to achieve positions, but I also applaud all the participants because if nothing more, we learned various new things via this quiz. Were like a 2020 match where interest up to the last ball remained intact. I and all other participants, all other viewers, all other guests, they enjoyed a lot. So I congratulate not only the organizers but also to the participants and Mr. Deepak who had chosen such type of questions which not only gave us in-depth knowledge but also it made interest till last ball. Till last ball means last question which was thrown by him and was caught by the winner. I again congratulate the participants. Now I also want to avail this opportunity for the highlight. I want to highlight the plight of differently abled people and requests not only to Bridge India family but all the viewers, including the guest of honor, that we all should come forward. All should come forward to minimize the discrimination with differently abled people and provide them full opportunity in all the spheres of life so that they may also lead a dignified life. I shall pray before Bridge India family that in future they should also conduct such type of quizzes, especially for the person with disabilities. So I shall feel more privileged if their concerns are addressed not only by the corporate world, by NGOs, but also by the governments. I again pay thanks.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you, Bridge India, for giving me this opportunity to participate here and be present in this quiz. I must say this is quite an interesting format which is there, and as the quiz progresses, the excitement also bridges. It also goes up. Even though I wasn't a participant, I could really feel the excitement as we went along, and as we reached the final question, it was really quite exciting. So congratulations to Bridge India and of course the quiz master and all the participants. Well, of course, the topic for today was the SDG, and 2015, the current SDGs were announced, and the target is to achieve them by 2030. If we are to look at India, I think while at a country level, there have definitely been improvements on various parameters. But as soon as we look at in relative terms, India has slipped about 2 points as compared to the last year. Surprisingly, we are even behind our other Asian neighbors, whether it is Bhutan, whether it is Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. So I think while we have improved, the real message is that our other countries have improved better than more faster than what we have done. And the specific areas which emerge in our which have actually pulled us a little back as basically the hunger, the gender equality, infrastructure. So these are certain areas where we have sort of not done as well as the other countries. Of course, government is doing what government is supposed to do, and we have a little role to play. But talking about the social sector, the not-for-profit sector, I think we have a significant role to play in this activity, and all of us in in the social sector, in our respective domains, in the respective themes which we have selected, we need to be more focused, and we need to put in more efforts to to be able to take the country forward. At the same time, the corporate sector has a very important role to play, because at the end of the day, there is no story without resource, and the resource comes from the corporate sector. Uh, the pandemic definitely has put challenges. Most of the normal social sector work has a tremendous competition from the COVID related activities, and quite a bit of resources have been diverted to that. Hopefully, as the COVID now sort of eases out, I do hope that corporate sector will come back and start supporting the NGOs, the social sector, so that we are able to refocus and do better work and take the country forward as far as the SDGs are concerned. So thank you once again, everybody, and wish you all the best for your next round of the competition.
Morning everyone, myself Umesh Kumar Sahu, presently working as senior manager in Bhilai Steel Plant, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to tell about my journey on how I became the Kaun Banega Social Champ 2021 winner conducted by the Bridge India Group. Before that, I want to brief about my past achievements and how I reached here and won the Kaun Banega Social Champ 2021 round. In 2017, I got the opportunity to be on hot seat on Kaun Banega Crorepati season 9. I won there 12.5 lakh rupees. Besides that, I am also doing charity work related to Naxalite affected area. The amount which I won in KBC 2017, I have donated it to my NGO. After that, 2017, my urge for knowledge increased so much that I started taking part in various competitions. So in that series, I participated last year in Kaun Banega Social Champ 2020. So last year I came second position in that round. Just 2-3 questions were missed by me. So that thing initiated a thought that I should try this year also and win the competition. So last year when I got second position, I analyzed all the questions that what our quiz master Taneja sir has asked. So in that pattern related to corporate social responsibility, SDG goals and other knowledgeable areas, current affairs, I prepared myself for this year, this season. And in this season, So by my hard work and by my luck, both factors included, I won this Kaun Banega Social Champ 2021 round, prelims round. So it was a very nice initiative. I appreciate the whole Bridge India team and the quiz master and all the participants who took part in this quiz competition. Every quiz competition gives us some learning. That learning is always useful for the future. So my belief is that more learning, more knowledge, and more success.